In this lesson, I will show you how to make the letterhead. Suppose if you are working in the company or you are the owner of some company, you want to make the letterhead. So I will show you how to make the letterhead. Suppose we have set up our insertion point here, and at the end I will show you how you can move your letterhead at the top of the page. So first of all, you have to click on Insert tab, and in the illustrations group you will see shapes icon here or shapes button here. Open this. So you can select any shape according to your company. Here I am going to select this rectangle, very simple. When you will come here, you will see this positive sign. This is called the cross here. So press and hold your mouse and make the shape of rectangle with the help of cross here. So see, when now this is selected, it is not selected now, and you cannot see the format tab here, size group. When you will click on here, you will see drawing tools format tab, and these are different groups and size group. So from here you can increase or decrease the width of your letterhead. And first of all, you have to set your letterhead at the top of the page so you can have enough room to write down your document. So what you have to do, click on position and then center one. It says position in top center with a square text wrapping. But if you want, you can click on the other icon as well to see if you will select this one, where your letterhead will go. So we have to select this center one, click here. Now suppose if you want to insert some kind of image or picture here or here, so I will show you how to insert it, because I am going to make the letterhead of Saima Academy. This is the educational academy, so here I need some educational, maybe the books or computer I will insert here. Again, it is very easy. Go to the insert. If you already have saved some pictures in your desktop or USB or document, you can click here. Otherwise, if you want to insert any picture or image from online, so click online pictures, and then here write down whatever you are looking for. Suppose I want computer, write down computer and click on this search. Then you will see different images of the computer. So select whatever you like according to your company. Suppose I want this one, so the check mark you have to put here and insert. So you will see this is the big image, large image of the computer. Do not worry about it. I will show you how to reduce it. There are 2 or 3 different ways. The first way is you have to click here, layout options, and on the bottom you will see more. Click here. This is the position, text wrapping and size. Click on size. In the scale group, this is the height, this is the width. Suppose you want to make it 12%, 14%, 10%, whatever. Here I will show you to make 10%. Delete, or you can increase or decrease from here, or you can write down 10%. You want to make same width here, do not need to write down again 10. Just click on width or press tab on your keyboard. Automatically it will convert to 10% and okay. So see, now it is small. If you want to increase the height or width, you can do the same function from here as well, right? And then we want to insert the same picture here on the left side and the right side. So you have to copy one more time. So select this, go to home, and then copy and paste. So see, now we have 2 times this. You can press and hold your mouse and set here. From here as well, with this resizing handle button, you can increase or decrease the position of this computer as well, right? So there are 2 or 3 different ways how to set it. So this is done. Now suppose if you do not like this style, so these are the shapes style. Open this arrow and you can find out different style. You can try whatever you want according to your company's letterhead. Suppose I need this one, so you can select this one, or go to the design tab. In the themes, click on this theme. You can change the theme if you want, right? This is the Berlin theme, basis theme, bandit theme. whatever you like according to your choice. You can change it. Suppose I say this slice, that is fine. Now suppose you want to give some border to this shape, so again click on this, click on the format. This is the picture border. Open this. Okay, this time we want, suppose, dark purple accent to 40%. Click here, and then the weight of these border should be, I say, 3%. Same thing here as well, and the weight is 3. So now your letterhead is ready. Here you can write down in letterhead, you can write down the name of the company, address, right? I can write down, suppose, 111. This is just the supposition, anything. Russell Avenue, California, USA, and then you can write down company's phone number 000, suppose 000, and at the end, Saima Academy at yahoo.com. Right, then we can select this. At least it should be set in one line. Now here you want to write down the name of your company, so right click and then add text. This one, click here. So here I will write down Saima Academy. Select this and go to the home tab, bold. Here you can increase the font size. Suppose I make it this one. From here you can change the color whatever you want, but I said black is fine for me. This one, and then open this font, what font you are looking for. See, if you want, you can make it like this. These are the different fonts. I said Arial, black is fine. Now come back here, go to the format. From here, if you want to change the color of your computer, from here you can change the color as well, whatever you want. And here is the corrections, means brightness or contrast. It's up to you again, whatever you want. So our letterhead is ready. Now you can write down your document here. If still you have any question, without hesitation you can write down in comment section. And thanks for watching.